This one is 100-liter vacuum emulsifying mixer with water purge and water purge. This starts with the control panel first, the power supply, the main switch, the power supply, the electric current for the oil purge, the electric current for the water purge, the electric current for the main purge, the electric current for the homogenizer, the temperature display for oil purge, for water purge, for main purge. Same. This one is the real temperature. This one is the temperature you were setting. The homogenizer temp setting, the mixing for the main mixer, the homogenizer mixing speed adjuster, the speed adjuster for the mixing, the heating function, oil purge, the blending function for the oil purge, the mixing for water purge, blending for water purge, heating function, main purge, mixing function for main purge, the homogenizer, the vacuum pump, the hydraulic up, hydraulic down, and here, the vacuum valve and the pressure gauge, the viewport, the material inlet. You can use this to suck the material from the oil purge. The essence inlet. The air filter. This one is the CIP cleaning board. The LED light, the protector to protect the mixer, to avoid the mixer hydraulic down in the negative pressure.
Hydraulic up.
And as you can see now, the pressure is negative, so we need to release the vacuum first. Oh no, we tested the machine first. I will open the homogenizer. Press run. Speed adjust. Open the blend. Now, it's negative pressure in the mixer, so we need to release it first. How can we release the vacuum? Use this. The air filter. 看压力表区。Now the pressure is normal temperature. I will show you how to use the vacuum pump. So first, open the vacuum valve and make sure all the other valves in the cover is closed. Make sure other valves closed. Open the vacuum pump. And turn this point to the pressure you want. Close vacuum pump first, and then close this valve to avoid the vacuum release from here. And okay, release. Okay, now you can hydraulic up this machine. power supply.
等一下拍没关系。
This one is burning direction mixing, so two different ways. Open the homogenizer. Okay, I will show you the dispenser for the oil purge. Open them. There are also three things you need to pay attention for this machine. First, the electrical heating, which means you need to make sure there is enough water in the jacket when you open the heating function. So here, the water inlet. The water inlet connects the tap water or purified water from here until the water came out from here, which means the jacket is full of water, and after then you will open the heating function. Otherwise, the electrical heating rod will be broken very easily. And the second is the homogenizer. The homogenizer, there is a very important part in the homogenizer is the mechanical sealing. When the homogenizer is working, the mechanical sealing temperature will be very high. So you need a water tank to cooling down the mechanical sealing. So you need to make sure there is enough water inside of the tank, and the temperature for the water will be able to cooling down the mechanical sealing. And change this water box every day will be better. And the third thing, 先关了，然后你再过去。The vacuum pump is the water recycle vacuum pump, which means it needs a water recycle, otherwise when it's working, otherwise it won't be work. So you need to connect the water here. Connect the water inlet and the water outlet to make sure the water recycle when you want to use the vacuum pump. Okay, I think that's all.
关了。